comes to running Instagram ads, you need to know how to do it for you to make sales. Guys, I'm going to show you practical in this video how I used an ad budget of 15,500 naira only to sell out a particular product. I am not even capping. I'm going to show you evidence, proof in this video how I used a budget of 15,500 to sell out a particular design of backpack I have in store. Now, this is the campaign I ran. This is the ad I'm talking about. If you look very well, you will see that it is currently off. I had to off it this afternoon because that bag is out of stock. The big size of this Sydney backpack is out of stock. What I have in stock currently is the small size. Now you can see my daily budget, 2,500 naira per day. And I did Instagram profile visits. Guys, I did not boost this post. It is not a boost post kind of ad. It is an ad I ran straight from my ads manager. Straight from my ads manager. It is not a boost post thing. Now, this ad, you can see the cost per Instagram profile visit, 66 naira 95 kobo, 66 naira. The reason why it is 66 naira is that the price of the item I'm advertising is quite high, around 38,000 naira. 38,000 naira. If I were to be advertising my normal handbags that I sell for 20k, the cost per Instagram profile visit will not be up to this 66. So understand the difference. The higher the product price you're advertising, the higher the cost per click or the cost per profile visit. Note that. Okay, now you can see the cost per profile visit, 66 naira, which is not bad, and you can see the total amount I spent, 15,598. This was exactly what I spent, and this product was completely sold out. Now let's go to the targeting. There's a reason I'm showing you guys this. Let's go to the targeting I use, my audience setup. This is it right here. Let me click on more. Now check out my audience. Like, it is so broad. Follow me closely. Check out the audience targeting I did. Let it open up so you can see it clearly. Now you can see for location, I targeted the whole of Nigeria. Are you seeing it? I targeted where? The whole of Nigeria, excluding nothing. You can see the age, 23 to 48. Men. I targeted the gender, men, because that backpack, men will buy more of it than women. We can get women that buy maybe one or two, but the majority I targeted here, male. Now you may be asking, Onyi, why is it that you're targeting the whole of Nigeria? Guys, sometimes I have explained this countless times in my other videos. Sometimes when you're running ads, don't go and start doing interest targeting and all that. Leave your ads to run broadly. Leave Meta. See, Meta algorithm or Meta what is it called? They know your customers even more than you. In as much as you have enough data, they can easily, show your ads to your right customer. Most times, if you run a broad ad, it converts more than the ones where you're targeting interest, targeting behavior and all that. So it is important for you to always monitor your ad. I have monitored my ad for a while now, and I noticed that not targeting interest is giving me more results currently. It might not be the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow everything might change. They change their system every now and then. Now, because I understand this insight, I have realized that not targeting interest and behavior currently is giving me more conversion. I am sticking to it. I am targeting the whole of Nigeria. And now let me shock you, the people that bought this product, mostly the regions, Lagos, Abuja, Asaba and Port Harcourt, these four cities were the major places the customers that bought this bag came from. In as much as I was targeting the whole of Nigeria, but these four cities were the places where the major customers or the major sales came from. Do you understand? Sometimes allow your ads to run. Not every time you're paying this person to help you target audience, tomorrow you're paying the other person to help you target. It will not convert. Maybe you're paying another person. You keep spending unnecessary money paying people to target audience for you or to set up your audience stuff for you. Sometimes you don't need all those interest and behavior, whatever. You just need to do a broad targeting, and you'll be surprised at the number of conversion you get. So I'm gonna leave some of the sales for you on the screen because I don't want to screen record it showing customers' names and their details. I'm gonna screenshot it, cover some customers' details so you don't, just for you to see and understand what I'm talking about. You don't need to target interest and behavior all the time. You don't need to do all those detailed targeting. Learn how to run ads so that you will constantly be monitoring your back end and know what is working at every given time. It is when you know how to run ads that you will know what is working currently, what worked yesterday, what will work tomorrow. Guys, this is not the first time I ran ad for this bag. The first time I ran ad for this bag, I immediately stopped the ad because there was no conversion. Let me see if I can see it and show you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Just hold on for me. I'm not seeing it now. Do you get me? This was not the first time I ran ad to sell this bag. I ran ad before. It did not convert. I had to stop the ad, and then I monitored. I noticed that okay, this is working, and immediately I did that. In less than 7 days, this ad gave me loads of conversion that currently we are sold out on that design of bag. Learn how to run ad. That is why I have been saying it. If you want to run ad, get my Instagram and Facebook ad mastery course. That course you're getting for just 25k. Get that course and thank me later. It will teach you every in-depth details you need to know about ads, how to check if your ad is converting or not, how to run ads, that a whole lot you're getting in that course. That course is just 25k. Stop running ads blindly. Stop paying people here and there to set your audience targeting for you, to target audience for you. You've paid Mr. A 50,000 naira, still yet ad no dey convert. You've paid Mr. B another 50,000 naira to set up your audience, to set your audience for you, yet your ad no dey convert. You don't pay. See, are you not tired of paying that money? How about you learn how to do this? Even if you don't have the time, you can teach your workers, buy this course for them so that they can learn how to run this ad. If you're not free, they can run this ad. Just give it a try. So for those of you that are interested, send a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number you see on the screen. Get this course. It's called the Instagram and the Facebook Ads Mastery course. Get it for 25k and thank me later. See you.